Halo parlok kublishibun saya sinpat hakane ka video ba ka RMSA West Gentia Hill kalapan mi biang ya ka official job notification namun taki post jong ki headmaster but assistant teacher te parlok pe hakane ka video hadu banakut krang video ya ki jintip kum ki nombor ki post ki belaj ka education qualification ka jinsiu but kum noban apply but lada PDI banakong i one page hakane ka video hakane ka channel Singau pa ban ai like ya kane ka video bat kum juru ban subscribe ya kane ka channel. Te ka RMSA West Gentia Hill ka code application ye pi lengba ka standard application form namun ta ki push jong ki headmaster bat assistant teacher ha ki upgrade government SSA Upper Primary School ha West Gentia Hill district but kabdairu ha ka post jong ka contractual basis but class date ban submit ya ki application form go jong phi kadai ha ka khalai trek Oktober arjar arpulai te mentai ne page ya ki post detail te sabha bankong te ha ki post jong headmaster ki nomor ki post ki belaj ka don tangkawe but ha ki essential qualification ki sim ya ki bela pendap ya ka B.Ed but ka kam prefer hi kadai ki bela pendap ya ka post graduate ha ka no ka stream Leng balai snap ka experience ha ka teaching but snap ka experience ha ka school administrative kabar nabanta ki post jong ki assistant teacher ha ka social science ki nomor ki post ki belaj ka don tangkawe but ha ka kran pule ki sim ya ki bela pendap ya ka B.Ed but graduate ha ka art leng ba ka wei ka major subject kabelai ha ki post jong ki assistant teacher ha ka English ki nomor ki post ki belaj ka don live post but ha ka qualification but kadai lengba ka B.Ed but graduate ha ka art lengba ka major subject ha ka English kabasau but ha ki post jong ki assistant teacher ha ka science ki nombor ki post ki belaj ka don tangkawe but ka kan pule kadai lengba ka B.Ed but graduate ha ka science lengba ka major subject ha ka chemistry botany but zoology kabasan namanta ki post jong ki assistant teacher ha ka MIL kasi ki nombor ki post ki belaj ka don tangkawe but ha ka essential qualification part ki sim ya ki bela pendap ya ka B.Ed but ka graduate ha ka art lengba ka major subject ha ka kasi kabendreo but namanta ki post jong ki assistant teacher ha ka mathematik ki nombor ki post ki belaj ki don hadu santali ki post but namanta ki education qualification part ki sim ya ki bela pendap ya ka B.Ed but graduate ha ka science lengba ka PCM lengba ka major subject ha ka matematik but namanta karta ka phila apna apply kadai ha karta ka ba khat prah do life asnam karta but namanta ka relaxation part kadai sansnam namanta ki SC ST credit but ha ka jinseu ka ba ar khunda hajar ha ka shibnai but lada pimpat dep ya ka B.Ed phimla apna apply ya kini ki post te kumlo phite banle ban apply ya kini ki post jong ki headmaster but assistant teacher te parlok lada pidon kaman bat ka keren pule phila aban submit ya ke application form go jong phi ashwa ka khatlai thero Oktober arjar arphulai sha ka office jong ka district school education officer ba district project coordinator RMSA West Gentia Hill district Jowai but pidero ban mention ya o number phone ba do email ID jong phi ha ka application form ki photocopy jong ki relevant document lengba artli ki copy jong ki passport size certificate testimonial lengba sel attested screening bar original document namanta ka verification ka porlong interview te porlong ada pidon kano kapat ka bapin bat sai bha singam ha ban comment ha kaneka video kubleshibon